Welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope that you guys enjoy my video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share my videos. If you guys have any requests, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Ever have your Mac OS cause you some problems, and you're just so frustrated that you can't figure it out, and you're thinking that reinstalling your Mac OS might fix the problem? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm going to show you guys how to reinstall your Mac OS. So what you want to do is you want to shut down your computer completely if it's on. And from here we're going to hold the command button and the R. At the same time, we're going to hold the power button as well. So it should look something like this. You'll hear the sound. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo. And once you see the Apple logo, you can let go of the power, but keep holding on to the Command and R button. Just keep holding it the entire time. And then something like this should come up. You'll see Mac OS recovery. And I'll get you guys to come a little bit closer. Put my brightness down a little bit. Let me do that. But as you guys can see, it is in recovery mode. And the second option says reinstall Mac OS, and then it'll be your version. So mine's Big Sur, so you would click that one and then continue and then walk through those steps. And that's basically it. I'm not going to click it because I don't need to reinstall my Mac OS. It's working completely fine. But if you want to, then you would go through it and do it like that. Thanks for watching. I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.